Holmarc's Trinocular Microscope. Model HOBLRMLWDF is a high-performance upright system with built-in fiber optic image collection, designed for scientific, educational, and industrial use. It features an infinity-corrected optical system and supports bright field observation, delivering sharp, high-contrast images. The integrated fiber port includes an SMA connector, 1000 micrometer core diameter, and 0.22 numerical aperture, enabling coupling with spectrometers or remote detectors. Illumination is provided by a 3-watt white LED for both transmitted and episcopic coaxial lighting, with adjustable intensity. The Sedentop trinocular head, inclined at 30 degrees, supports interpupillary adjustment from 48 to 75 mm. A 10x wide field eyepiece with diopter adjustment and high eye relief ensures user comfort and visual clarity. A long working distance plan apochromatic 10x objective provides excellent optical performance, ideal for thick or uneven samples. The double-layer mechanical stage offers 75 by 50 mm travel, and coaxial coarse fine focusing enables precise specimen control. The substage ABI condenser, equipped with an iris diaphragm and focus adjustment, improves contrast and illumination tuning. A built-in 5MP CMOS color camera with USB 2.0 interface supports digital imaging, complemented by micro-analyzer software for capture and measurement tasks. Powered by 230 volts, 50 Hz, the Trinocular Microscope delivers a compact, integrated solution for microscopy and fiber optic-based optical analysis. Holmarc's Trinocular Microscope. Model HOBLRMLWDF. Holmarc manufactures a wide range of scientific instruments and devices for manufacturing, research, and education. Visit us at www.holmarc.com and contact us at sales@holmarc.com. Order your products now.